In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin video on Zoom. If you're in a Zoom meeting and you want to keep one specific person's video visible on your screen, the pin feature is exactly what you need. This is especially helpful during presentations, online classes, interviews, or team meetings where you want to stay focused on one speaker instead of having Zoom automatically switch between active participants. To pin someone's video, start by locating the participant you want to keep on screen. Move your cursor over that participant's video window and click on the participant. This helps you identify the video tile you want to work with before opening any options. Once you have selected the correct participant's video, look for the three dots, usually found in the corner of that video tile. Click on those three dots to open the participant options menu. This menu gives you a few viewing choices, and the one you're looking for is the pin option. Now click on pin. As soon as you do that, Zoom will keep that participant's video fixed on your screen, even if someone else starts talking. This can make the meeting much easier to follow when one person is the main focus. There's also a second way to do the same thing, which some people find even faster. Instead of clicking on the participant first and then opening the menu, you can simply right-click directly on the participant's video. This will open the same options menu right away. From there, click on pin. Just like before, that participant's video will stay visible on your screen as the main video feed. One important thing to remember is that pinning a video only changes your personal view of the meeting. It does not affect what other participants see. So if you pin someone, that change is only for you, which is useful when you want to customize your own meeting layout without disrupting anyone else. If the meeting has multiple people on camera, pinning can really help reduce distractions and make the experience more organized. It's a simple feature, but it's very useful once you know where to find it. And that's all it takes to pin video on Zoom. Follow the method that feels easiest for you, either using the three-dot menu or by right-clicking on the participant's video, and you will be able to keep the person you want in focus throughout the meeting.